Vitamin E is a well-known powerhouse ingredient in skincare, renowned for its ability to hydrate, repair, and protect the skin. If you're looking for a product to keep your skin nourished and glowing, a vitamin E cream can do wonders. In this video, we're reviewing 5 of the best vitamin E creams that will help you achieve soft, healthy skin. Let's explore these top picks to find the one that's right for your skincare routine. Kicking off our list at number 1, Palmer's Cocoa Butter. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Vitamin E Cream is a well-loved skincare product known for its rich, deeply moisturizing formula. This cream combines the power of vitamin E with cocoa butter, making it an excellent option for dry, rough skin. It's designed to hydrate, smooth, and help improve skin elasticity, making it a go-to for many people looking for an affordable and effective solution. Key features: this cream contains a potent mix of vitamin E, cocoa butter, and other natural oils. Cocoa butter is known for its ability to deeply hydrate and nourish the skin, while vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant that helps protect and repair. The cream is dermatologically tested and free from parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, which is an important consideration for those with sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Vitamin E Cream is perfect for individuals with dry, cracked, or rough skin, as it deeply moisturizes and improves the overall appearance of your skin. Apply the cream to your body, especially on dry areas, and gently massage it in. With regular use, you'll notice softer, more hydrated skin. It's also helpful for improving the appearance of scars and stretch marks, as vitamin E has a reputation for promoting skin regeneration. Usability: the cream has a rich and thick texture that absorbs slowly into the skin, leaving it feeling soft and nourished. While this cream is ideal for dry and rough skin, individuals with oily skin may find it a bit heavy. A little goes a long way, so be sure to use a small amount to avoid feeling greasy. Durability: Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Vitamin E Cream offers long-lasting hydration and nourishment. With regular use, the skin becomes noticeably softer and smoother. Since this cream is designed for frequent application, it's durable enough for daily use without irritating sensitive skin. If you have extremely dry skin, you may want to reapply it throughout the day for maximum benefits. In the second spot, we have Eucerin Advanced Repair. Eucerin Advanced Repair Cream with Vitamin E is a therapeutic moisturizing cream designed to deliver intense hydration to extremely dry skin. The unique formula is enriched with vitamin E, ceramides, and natural moisturizing factors that provide lasting hydration, making it a reliable option for individuals struggling with very dry, cracked skin. Key features: this cream features a combination of vitamin E and ceramides, which work together to restore the skin's moisture barrier and improve skin texture. It is clinically proven to provide 48-hour moisture and is free from fragrances, making it suitable for sensitive skin. The thick, rich texture provides immediate relief to dry skin, creating a protective barrier that locks in moisture. Benefits and usage: Eucerin Advanced Repair Cream is ideal for anyone suffering from dry, rough, or cracked skin, especially during colder months when skin tends to lose moisture. It's especially effective for areas like elbows, knees, and hands, which tend to get rougher and drier. To use, apply generously to the affected area and massage it in. The cream absorbs quickly without leaving behind a greasy residue. Usability: the texture of this cream is thick and luxurious, making it perfect for ultra-dry skin in need of immediate relief. It's non-greasy, and the product doesn't leave behind any sticky feeling, allowing you to go about your day without discomfort. The fragrance-free formula is great for individuals with sensitive skin who prefer products without added scents. Durability: Eucerin Advanced Repair Cream provides long-lasting hydration and helps to improve skin's texture over time. Thanks to its nourishing formula, it keeps the skin moisturized for up to 48 hours, making it ideal for individuals with chronic dry skin. Consistent use leads to smoother, more comfortable skin, and since it's designed for daily use, it's gentle and safe for everyday application. Coming in at number 3 is the Body Shop Vitamin E. The Body Shop Vitamin E Nourishing Night Cream is a rich, luxurious night cream formulated with vitamin E and wheat germ oil to hydrate and protect the skin while you sleep. This cream works to rejuvenate and nourish the skin overnight, so you wake up with a softer, smoother complexion. Key features: the Body Shop Vitamin E Nourishing Night Cream is packed with the goodness of vitamin E, wheat germ oil, and community trade shea butter. Vitamin E helps to protect the skin from environmental stressors, while wheat germ oil provides essential nutrients. The inclusion of shea butter ensures that the skin is deeply nourished and moisturized throughout the night, giving you a radiant complexion by morning. Benefits and usage. This night cream is perfect for anyone looking to hydrate and nourish their skin while they sleep. It's particularly beneficial for dry or aging skin, as it helps to improve skin elasticity and smoothness. To use, apply a small amount to your face and neck after cleansing, and gently massage it in. The cream's soothing formula is ideal for sensitive skin, and its nighttime application helps restore your skin's natural moisture balance. Usability. The cream has a rich, thick consistency that feels luxurious on the skin. It absorbs well without feeling too heavy or greasy, leaving the skin feeling soft and hydrated by morning. The formula is suitable for normal to dry skin types, and its gentle ingredients make it a good choice for sensitive skin. It's perfect for those looking for a deep overnight treatment that helps rejuvenate their skin. Durability. The Body Shop Vitamin E Nourishing Night Cream is effective when used regularly, providing lasting hydration and smoothing benefits. Over time, the skin's texture and elasticity improve, and the nourishing ingredients ensure that your skin feels soft and rejuvenated every morning. It's ideal for nighttime use, as it works best while your skin is in repair mode. Taking our fourth spot is Kiehl's Ultra Facial. Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream with Vitamin E is a highly popular moisturizer known for its ability to hydrate and nourish the skin. With vitamin E as one of its key ingredients, this cream provides essential antioxidants that protect the skin from free radicals, while keeping the skin soft, smooth, and balanced. Key features. Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream contains vitamin E, glycerin, and a blend of natural oils that work together to lock in moisture and keep the skin hydrated for up to 24 hours. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly and provides immediate relief to dry skin. It's also formulated with squalane, which helps to balance the skin's moisture levels, making it ideal for both dry and oily skin types. Benefits and usage. Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream with Vitamin E is perfect for individuals who need a reliable moisturizer that provides lasting hydration without feeling heavy. It works well for dry, flaky skin, and it's great for preventing dehydration throughout the day. To use, apply a small amount to the face and neck after cleansing. It can be used both morning and night for continuous moisture. Usability. The cream has a smooth, non-greasy texture that quickly absorbs into the skin, leaving it soft and comfortable. It's lightweight yet highly effective, making it suitable for daily use, even in warmer weather. The formula is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog pores, making it suitable for people with oily or acne-prone skin as well. Durability. Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream provides long-lasting hydration, helping to maintain skin's moisture levels throughout the day. With regular use, it helps to improve skin texture and can protect against environmental stressors. The formula is gentle enough for everyday use and delivers consistent hydration, making it a reliable staple in your skincare routine. And finally, at number 5, we have a L'Occitane Shea Butter. L'Occitane Shea Butter Ultra Rich Body Cream is an intensely hydrating cream that combines vitamin E with pure shea butter to provide exceptional moisture and protection to the skin. Ideal for very dry skin, this body cream is designed to nourish and repair the skin, leaving it feeling soft and smooth. Key features. This body cream is enriched with 25% shea butter, a rich, natural ingredient known for its ability to deeply hydrate and protect the skin. It also contains vitamin E to provide antioxidant protection and keep the skin healthy. The formula is dermatologically tested and is free from parabens, making it safe for sensitive skin. Its thick texture makes it especially effective for rough, dry patches. Benefits and usage. L'Occitane Shea Butter Ultra Rich Body Cream is perfect for individuals with extremely dry skin that needs deep hydration and care. It helps to restore the skin's softness, elasticity, and smoothness. Apply a generous amount to the body, paying attention to dry areas such as elbows, knees, and feet. With regular use, the skin feels nourished and visibly healthier. Usability. The cream has a rich, luxurious texture that glides smoothly over the skin. It absorbs well, although it may leave a slight, soft sheen on the surface, making it ideal for use at night or during colder months when dry skin is more prevalent. It's particularly beneficial for rough or cracked skin, as it helps to restore moisture and softness. Durability. L'Occitane Shea Butter Ultra Rich Body Cream provides lasting hydration, ensuring that your skin remains smooth and nourished throughout the day. With its rich formulation, the cream works well to protect the skin's moisture barrier, making it ideal for use in harsher climates or for individuals with chronically dry skin. And there you have it, folks, our top picks for the best vitamin E creams in this year. Whether you're tackling dry skin, improving elasticity, or simply looking to add some nourishment to your skincare routine, these creams offer fantastic options for all skin types. Remember, vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can truly help rejuvenate your skin, so choose the one that fits your needs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more product reviews and skincare tips. Thanks for watching.